So we're on our way to the beach right now. We're going to Maracas. So we're gonna have fun. Yay! Beach day. Say beach day. Yay! Y'all are not enthusiastic at all. They wanted to go to the beach and now they're acting like they don't even care. Oh well.
Because the time. Look.
Because the time. We're almost there. They think we're taking forever. We're here in Maracas. Yay! Ocean. Sakura! And her hat fell. Okay then. Guys! Wait! We're here in Maracas. Yay! Beach life. Maracas Beach. I'm having fun, people. Look at the beach, look at the beach, look at the beach. Ah! So we just discovered this mummy-like creature on the beach, covered in sand. Apparently, he's still alive. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's amazing. So, how do you feel, mummy, to be on the beach? Okay, he can't talk English. Cool. Awesome. What's up, mummy boy? Yeah, okay. That's that. See it? See it? Okay. What the hell are you doing? It was from on the sand, girl. I think this is a beached whale right here, trying to get back into the ocean. Look, 2 beached whales. 2 beach whales.
Did I kill a whale?
Yeah, you beached. Either that or it's just a turtle that just hatched and trying to go into the ocean. That's as far as you go. Go back. Go back. I have the most awkward children on the face of the planet, right? No, watch it, wait. We found some kind of weird thing. So, beach day was fun. We're leaving now. It's getting dark.
It's not fun.
It was fun.
No, it's not.
Yes, it was.
No, it's not.
Yes, it was.
No, it's not.
So, we're going home now. Gonna eat and I don't know, probably watch a movie or something. So, have fun, people. You mental, I said.